I'll make my own secret room in this lunchbox. Perfect! Next we'll need... Ooh! Can't have a bedroom without a bed. I just need a roller. I took several different colors and rolled them into a blanket. Perfect! It's cute, but something's missing.
Yeah. Should I put up this curtain or this curtain?
That's what's missing!
Yeah, so which one? This one.
Let's make a curtain. Take a ball of clay and flatten it. Time for glitter! After adding the glitter, make sure to roll it out. Next, we need an X-Acto knife. Be careful! Cut it into slices. Then roll them out. Beautiful! Cut it out into a rectangle. Then remove the excess clay. Crease it to make it look like a curtain. Then fold it over the wire. There we go. What else do we need? I have a bed, a curtain. Hey! I'll make a couch.
Did you hear that? No, focus on the game.
Apply pressure to the middle of the ball of clay. Then smooth it over with a ball tool. Yes! The couch needs to be comfier. Let's make cushions! Gather 2 different colored clays, then twist them together. Now roll it into a ball and mold it to your desired shape. I did a rectangle. Roll out a thin piece of clay. Add it as trim around the pillow. Comment down below what kind of pillow you would make. It still looks so empty. A coffee table! Let's make a galaxy! Choose your colors and twist them together. Then form it into a ball to create a marbling effect. Let's roll! Make sure it's flat! Now I'll use an X-Acto knife. Cut out a rectangle. Wow, doesn't it look like a galaxy? Now use the excess clay and wrap it around a toothpick. Make 3 more and add it to the clay. It looks like a table! Let's make a dining table! Flatten out more galaxy clay. Then use an X-Acto knife to cut out a circle. Be careful! Remove the excess. And there you have your circle. Take black clay and wrap it around a toothpick. Then poke it through a ball of black clay. Use super glue and attach it to the table. Now we just need a place to sit. Stack 2 pieces of flattened clay, then roll it. Carefully cut it in half. Look at that swirl! Next we need wire and pliers. Use the pliers and carefully cut the wire. Now stick 4 to the swirl. It's still...
Hey, you! Check out this rug I made for our room.
That's it! My room needs a rug. Flatten out out some white clay.
Now I need gold stars and tweezers.
Use the tweezers and add all the stars that you want. Roll over them to seal it into the clay. Using an X-Acto knife, cut out a rectangle. Oh no! Not one star! Now the other star! Remove the excess clay, and now it's a perfect addition to the room.
It's all coming together. I know! June! I can't have a room without a mirror.
Flatten out a ball of clay.
This should do the trick.
Use tin foil as a mirror and add a border around it.
I'm going to use this tool for texture.
Press the tool into the border. Ooh, I love this design.
Looking good, but it still needs something to give it life. I always wanted a dog. Now I'll use a small ball tool.
Add white clay for the snout. Next, use a ball tool for the nose and the eyes. How cute! We still need ears and some legs. Can't forget the tail. I think I'll call him Pedro.
Everything looks so nice. I think I'm all done. Huh? That's what I'm missing. To make my decoration, I just need some tweezers.
Mold the clay into a teardrop shape. Use the tweezers to shape spikes. Wow, doesn't it look like an alien tree? Comment down below if you think so too.
It's so perfect. I wish this was my real room.
Well, I'm off to practice. See you later, June.
I wonder if... Wow! I'm really here!
Hey, June, have you seen my... I'll go get it. Hi, everyone! Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!